I believe the song is very appropriate. There is a silence of sound for the deeply troubled Caribbean nation of roughly 9 million people, where the vast majority eke out a living on less than $1 a day. After gaining independence in 1804, Haiti has experienced significant political upheavals. Years of misrule by dictators and a series of armed rebellions have led to the collapse of the Haitian economy. Degeneration of infrastructure and exuberated the government's inability to provide desperately needed social services such as health care, clean water, and education. According to the United Nations, Haiti is one of the least developed countries in the world and one of the poorest in the Western Hemisphere. With little cash and import prices rocketing, half the population faces starvation. Due to the difficult situation, a lot of people move from rural areas to cities. They hope for a better life, but are soon faced with an even worse situation, which results in the forming of ghettos and even more poverty. The provision of food is getting more and more difficult as prices continue to rise. Children and youth, and mainly babies, are the immediate victims of the crisis. Since money is needed to cover food expenses, additional costs like school fees are becoming unaffordable, and so children do not attend schools. These days, Haitians have to spend a large part of their income on food. However, the ever-increasing prices for basic food, such as cereal and rice, forces the poorest of the country to live on mud cookies or mud cakes. In Haiti, only 55% of school-aged children receive an education. Only 2% finish the U.S. equivalent of high school, and roughly 1/3 of youths between the ages of 15 and 24 are illiterate. There are many factors that prevent children from attaining their right to a basic education. Poverty is one of the biggest obstacles. In Haiti, poverty is more widespread in rural areas than in the cities. 77% of Haiti's extremely poor live in rural areas. The level of education of the main provider in a Haitian household has a clear impact on the risk of being poor. Of those living in households where the main provider has higher education, only 7% are extremely poor, compared to 70% of those living in households where the main provider has no education. However, please take a look. Look at these happy faces. Look at these children. These people believe. These people have hope.
I mean, it's just a room or two.
That's it.
And the light is going to be difficult.
It's difficult work on HD. Believe me, I can be pitch black and I can pick it up.
It's okay?
It's okay.
Thank you. This is
Good.
this is primarily in the rural villages. This is a typical house, which is just a one-room everything. So she's got charcoal piled up over here. She cooks outside, of course, although this is not going to burn. This is mud. And so you've got the main living room here. And again, because of lack of electricity and lack of air, I mean, people stay outside all day. They don't come in the house for anything but to sleep.
Now, how many people would live in a house this size? Do you want to ask them?
So, how many people live here?
In this home?
Would this be one area with
I thought so, but they've approached all the area with this tornado.
5, 6?
And this little.
And who's in the back room? Is that someone else's home? Somebody else lives there?
Yeah.
This is an apartment. This is a 2-room apartment. Through this wall here is another family.
Another family. So this is for 6.
Yeah, for 6.
So, what are Haiti's problems? Runaway population growth, acute shortages of food and basic necessities, environmental degradation. All this seems insurmountable when coupled with a weak and dysfunctional government. So, what's needed is supporting recovery programs and getting more private international investors into Haiti. So you ask, how can you help? By going to hopetohaiti.org. Please, give these people the promise of humanity. They deserve it. God bless, and thank you for watching.